Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI development with a game-changing tool called Small Agents from Hugging Face and GitHub. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, this lightweight library is designed to revolutionize your create intelligence agents. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore what makes small agents a must-have in your development toolkit. First thing first, what exactly are small agents? In simple terms, small agents is a powerful yet straightforward library that allows developers to create AI agents with minimal effort. With just around 1000 lines of code, it simplifies the integration of large language models into your applications. This means you can focus more on building features rather than getting lost in complex code. But what does it mean to create an agent? An agent an agent is essentially a program that performs tasks autonomously based on user inputs and environment conditions. Small agents empower these agents to interact with various tools and APIs, allowing them to execute complex workflows efficiently. Let's dive deeper in some key features that make small agents a standout choice for developers. Small agents are available both on Hugging Face and GitHub. And first, we want to cover is simplicity. Okay, Small Agent is designed for ease of use. It's clean. API allows you to create and manage AI agents without getting bogged down in complexity. You can get started quickly whether you are building a simple chatbot or complex data processing system. Code agents, one of the most innovative aspects of small agents, is a concept of code agents. Unlike traditional agents that output a JSON or text, code agents generate their actions in code format. This not only enhances performance, but also reduces the number of calls to large language models, making your applications faster and more efficient. Tool sharing. With small agents, you can easily share and access tools from the Hugging Face Hub. This feature encourages collaborations among developers and allows you to leverage community-built tools in your projects. Compatibility. Small agents work seamlessly with various large language models from Hugging Face, OpenAI, Anthropic, and others. This flexibility means you can choose the best model for your specific use case without worrying about compatibility issues. Now that we understand what small agents are and their key features, let's talk about the benefits they bring to the table. So first, it's efficiency boost. By automating repetitive coding tasks like generating boilerplate code and debugging, small agents allows you to accelerate projects' timelines. Imagine cutting down hours of manual work into just minutes. Cost effectiveness. Reducing overhead costs while enhancing precision in your projects is crucial in today's competitive landscape. Small agents help streamline development process, allowing teams to focus on high-value tasks rather than mundane ones. Democratizations of AI development. Even newcomers can leverage small agents to execute complex programming tasks with ease. The intuitive design makes it accessible for anyone interested in AI development, regardless of their experience level. Rapid prototyping. With small agents, you can quickly prototype ideas and iterate and then, without getting stuck in lengthy development cycles. This agility is essential for startups and teams looking to innovate rapidly. Small agents are versatile and can be applied across various industries. Here are just a few examples on how they can be utilized effectively. Finance and banking. In the finance sector, small agents can automate secure applications development while ensuring compliance with regulations. Imagine building an AI-driven financial advisor that can analyze market trends and provide real-time insights. Healthcare. In healthcare, these agents can automate medical records management and real-time analysis for better patient care. For example, an agent could assist doctors by retrieving patients' data quickly during consultations. E-commerce. For e-commerce platforms, small agents can help build scalable solutions that meet global consumer demands effortlessly. Whether it's automating customer service responses or managing inventory systems, the possibilities are endless. Education. In educational technology, small agents can personalize learning experiences by adapting content based on student performance and preferences. Imagine an intelligent tutor that helps students learn at their own pace. Ready to dive into the small agents? Here is how you can get started today. So for installations, I'll be leaving the link here for the GitHub page. Okay, it's first thing first, install the packages using pip. Just run this command in your terminal, like pip install Smolagents. That's all what it takes. Then you have to define your agents. Next, create an agent with necessary tools. Here's a quick example. Everything is provided here in this quick video, which I'll be leaving the link to. Okay, inside the description. Then you can explore tools and models. Check out the Hugging Face hub for available tools and models that you can integrate into your agents. Also, as I said, small agents also available on Hugging Face. And then you just need to start experiment with it. Okay, so you just start experimenting with different configurations. The more you play around it, the better you will understand its capabilities. So one of the best parts about using small agents is being part of an active community. So you can join forums where developers share their experiences, tips, and tricks for using small agents effectively. So its documentations, make sure to check out the comprehensive documentations available on GitHub. It's filled with examples that will help you to get speed quickly. Feel free to contribute, whether it's sharing your own tools or improving existing ones. Every contribution helps grow this amazing ecosystem. So in conclusion, small agents represent a remarkable evolution in software development. By focusing on simplicity, scalability, and ease of use, they empower developers to save time and reduce errors while driving innovation. So why wait? Start exploring small agents today and see how they can transform your coding experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Check out the links in the description below for more information on small agents and other exciting projects from GitHub and Hugging Face. And thank you very much for watching.